Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay on Alibaba. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So how do you actually use Afterpay in Alibaba? So the first thing that you need to do here is go to their website for Afterpay. So go to afterpay.com and basically accessing their website. Now, usually if you access Alibaba to their website via your browser here, you won't be able to see the option for Afterpay. So you need to access Afterpay first before accessing Alibaba. So in the Afterpay website, you want to search for Alibaba here. And from here, you want to basically search for it. Now, once you're searching it, just look for Alibaba here. Go ahead and open it up and use the Alibaba website as you would usually on your browser. So in this case, choose your items and basically adding them in your account. Now, once you've chosen your items, you just need to basically pay for them. So whenever you pay for the items via the Afterpay website here, make sure that you open up the Alibaba website via Afterpay first. The Afterpay option will now be available to you. But yeah, so that's about it. So you just need to access Alibaba via the Afterpay website here, and the option to use Afterpay will now be available to you. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.